This video is life-changing. A bad pair of jeans is actually really bad. Sometimes we go for shopping and we get those jeans that they are not good for our body without us knowing that there are little things you have to consider before getting any pair of jeans. But there is good news. This video, you are going to learn things that you have to put in consideration before you get any pair of jeans, because most of the times we get those jeans that are not fitted for our body and we think it's our body that has a problem. We always think maybe our shape is not good, but you have to know first your body shape before you get any pair of jeans. For me, I have a curvy body, especially behind, while in front my body does not look that curvy. First, you have to put in mind you are perfect the way you are. But if you buy a wrong pair of jeans, of course the shape of your body is going to look different. There are three types of jeans. We have the low rise jeans, which is about 7 inches. This kind of jeans is actually below our navel, like not above our navel. So you have to know your shape before you consider what kind of jeans you want to buy. With a jean like this, where your body can bulge out, your stomach can actually bulge out if you have fat along your stomach line. So if you put low rise jeans, you are going to have fat coming out. Here we have medium rise jeans. With these jeans, we have about 8 inches. 8 inches. Also is below your navel, but it's a little bit higher than the low rise jeans. This is also nice, like it's good for my body shape, but even though I will not consider it that much because I prefer to put on a high waisted jeans. So knowing your body shape will help you to know the kind of jean you have to put on. Either you put on the low rise jeans or you put the medium rise jeans. It's all left for you. We have the high rise jeans, which is for me the best jeans for someone to wear depending on your body type. The high rise jean is actually the best jean I will advise everyone to wear. But like I said before, depending on your body shape, because there are some people that low waist jean is actually good for them, and medium waist jean is also good for other people. But for me and for my body shape, I consider putting on the high waist jean because I think it's just perfect since I'm curvy behind. So choose which one is good for your body type. Always consider the color of the jeans before buying it. Like brighter colors will make your appearance to look bigger, your legs will look longer, and it's going to give you a nice appearance, while darker color will make your appearance to look slimmer and it's going to make your legs to look shorter. If you look at the jean I'm putting on, it has two colors. It has a darker color and a brighter color, which make my waist to my knee to look a little bit longer. The next thing you have to consider is the pocket of the jean. If you look at this jean, the end of the pocket with the end of my butt line is actually slimmer. They are almost on the same spot, which will make my butt to look very small. And if you look at the space between the two pockets is wider, which is bad. If you look at the space between the two pockets, it's actually not big, it's small, which make your butt to have a nice shape. And the space between the end of the pocket and that of your butt is also bigger, which give your butt enough space to look relaxed, like your butt actually has a nice shape behind. It's amazing if you have a jean like this, but the only problem with this jean is the zipper. The zip is so short, which is actually not good because it will give you a line in front like what you're seeing there. The way it's showing my V spot, it's actually curving everything, like when you're walking everything is coming out, everyone can see everything. So this kind of jean, for me, I will not actually consider to buy them that much. Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you are enjoying this video, and please give it a thumb up if you like this video. If you're new to my channel, support my channel by subscribing I'm called Matilda. If you look at the zipper for this black trouser, it's actually nice because it's longer from the waist to my V-spot, which it makes it to be comfortable because it doesn't have anything, like nothing shows. So if you're walking, there is nothing that is catchy, there is nothing calling for attention, which is perfect. And another thing is, I think is because the jean is fitted. It's a slim cut, which makes everything to look good. You always have to consider the zip before you get your jeans. You always have to consider the color of the jean before you get it, and you always have to know your body type, which shape you have before getting your jeans. If low rise, medium rise, or high rise jeans will actually be good for you. There are so many things that we have to put in consideration before we get jeans as a lady, so you will not think or feel bad that your body shape is actually bad, which is due to the wrong pair of jeans that you got. So be careful, girls, how you get your pair of jeans. Get something that is good for your body, something amazing, something nice, something that you will always like to put on. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.